Savvy investors usually strategically pick a market. And this is a process that you can start from the comfort of your own home. That's the best part, right? Most of it can be researched with a computer. So there's so many details and resources available, and I'll have a resource list at the end. But these are the 10 I wanted to focus on. Next level after these 10 would be hop on a plane, meet people, go into the market, walk the market, adjust your findings based on what you find when you're actually there. Meet contractors, city officials, go to Chamber of Commerce, go to the local RIA if you can schedule it, your schedule, coincides. Start to meet people that you'd like to be on your team, and then start hunting for a deal and implement your systems. But right now we're going to just talk about that, picking the market. So market timing, which is my number one, it actually has kind of 3 little sub points. So I'm going to go into these points. So you need to look at population growth. Is the population growing? Is it declining? What's happening in the population? These are main indicators, right? Employment growth. Are there industries going into the city that you're looking at? Is there diversity in, you don't want one town that's serviced by one company. My sister lives in a town, very remote town, and almost everybody works at the lumber mill, right? What happens if that lumber mill goes out of business? I mean, that town is going to suffer, right? So you want to look at employment growth, diversity, and the unemployment rate. You also want to look at rent growth. Is there an increase in rent? How is housing affordability? What rent price points are you looking for? And you want to look at barriers to growth. Very important. Is the government supporting the growth? Are the building codes in such a way that they're supporting growth? Are the government agencies looking at investors, welcoming investors into the environment? The other thing you want to look at is supply and demand. This dictates rent rates, it dictates pricing trends. So whether you're looking at buy and hold, or whether you're looking at flipping, or whether you're looking at wholesaling, you need to know these things, right? Pricing trends, sales versus rents, cash flowing properties, and the market absorption is critical. You'd like to see vacancies like under 11% for rentals. What about new construction? Is there a lot of new construction going on? Look at the numbers of sales versus the numbers of listing. Look at the days on the market, right? That's going to give you some ideas on supply and demand.